Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to create LinkedIn page. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play. And what you're going to do, you're going to click on search at the bottom right corner. And you're going to just type right here, LinkedIn. And basically what you're going to do, you're going to make sure that you downloaded or updated the app to the latest version. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen. And I'm gonna go ahead to my browser. And basically, if you want to create a LinkedIn page, just go ahead to any LinkedIn page and tap the more icon on the right and select create LinkedIn page. Then select the page type, enter your company name, LinkedIn, public profile, website, industry, company size, company type, and tagline if you wanted to. And then follow along the on-screen instructions. And if you want to know more about, go ahead right here, click the work icon on the upper right corner, and then create a company page, company showcase page, and then educational institution. Enter your page identity, company or institution details, and then profile details information, and then check the verification box to confirm that you have the right to act on behalf of the company or school, and then click the create page button and click start building your page to finish building your LinkedIn page. And if you want to know if creating a page is free, any member can create a service page, market their brand, and build an audience on LinkedIn for free. Alright, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.